Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
Hey there, Chief Meteorologist Kendra Kent here. The system is almost here, this major winter storm for the mountains and what could be a mostly rain event for the upstate. There will be some snow involved, but we're not talking about big accumulations at all outside of the higher terrain. And you can see the low spinning across areas of Tennessee, Arkansas, and northern Mississippi. All of that's going to make it over toward the western Carolinas. Now notice what's happening now. We've got some light rain trying to move in. Our air is very dry, so it is likely evaporating before it can even hit the ground. But eventually all of this is going to make it overhead, and we'll end up with showers going into tonight and snow up in western North Carolina. That's going to come as we get into the late night hours. So we'll start to see those accumulations as well. So across the far northern upstate, we could see a little bit of that too. 3 to 6 inches in the mountains. You go into this halfway point, kind of the borderline area, that's going to be the trickiest forecast. Anywhere really between I-40 and I-85 is going to be a transition zone where we're going to lose the snow, but we likely will see some accumulations in the southern mountains, far northern upstate, 1 to 2 inches possible. Even a little freezing rain can't be ruled out. But then you see this pink area, that's where a dusting of snow would be possible. This includes you near Anderson as well as Greenville, Spartanburg, but it's going to be a rain-snow mix, and I'm not guaranteeing you a dusting because it's going to be tough after that rain moves through to get that dusting, that coating on the ground. Whenever snow falls onto a wet surface, it just doesn't accumulate very easily. So I do think we'll see some snow in those pink areas. Accumulations look unlikely or very, very low. As you go farther to the south, I still think there's a chance we could end up with a little bit of snow mixed with rain south of I-85 during the day on Friday, but the chance is still pretty low on that. Well, we'll keep you posted. Winter storm watch, or excuse me, warning now. It's been upgraded for all of our western North Carolina mountain counties. That also includes Rabun County in Georgia, and that's until 7 p.m. on Friday. So here's a look at FUTURECAST. Notice what we're going to be dealing with as we go into the 11 o'clock hour tonight. Heavy downpours across the upstate. Could see some of that rain-snow mix right up along the border. So we're going to continue to monitor that. And as we go into Friday, that's when we're going to have that chance for some more, or we'll continue to have that chance of rain. And then we'll be looking ahead to some nicer weather. Of course, you can check in on the morning news from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. We'll be on early tomorrow morning and then potentially throughout the morning, depending on how the weather is going, how dangerous those roads are getting, especially up in western North Carolina. Be sure to tune in first thing when you wake up on the morning news.